Hello guys, you're watching Tech 7 World and this is the unboxing of Audio Technica ATH M35 headphones. Let's get right into it. I've got here the Audio Technica ATH M35 headphones which I got from Flipkart for around 4500 rupees in India, and that's about 70 US dollars. So this is a over the ear headphones, and let's look at the box first. We have here, it's called the Dynamic Stereo and it's the monitor headphones. It's good for editing, that's why I bought it, and this is my first decent headphones. So just let's look at what's inside it. Okay. So here are the headphones, and this first, let's look at this. This is the registration form, I think so, and the quick start guide as well. So yeah, we don't need it, so let's keep it aside for the moment. This is the gold plated 1x8-inch adapter, and this is for recording sounds at a very high level in studios, so it's used there. And this is the carrying pouch, and I'm very glad that Audio Technica has shipped the pouch with these headphones. It's also a good quality pouch and it feels nice, soft. So now let's look at the headphones itself. So, clear all this. Tied up here. So yeah, let's look how the audio comes from this, and I think Audio Technica produced some good headphones, and so I'm pretty sure it comes up with a good audio quality sound. This is not as good as ATH M50, but it's a decent headphone for the price. So this is the 3.5mm headphone adapter, and this is silver plated and it looks like a good quality, and I think it will not bend and all. So let's look at these headphones closely, and this is a over the ear headphone, so it does fit on your ear and it covers all your ears. So, and this is a soft cushioned pad, and it's a very soft and good to feel. Here is the Audio Technica ATH M35 branding. It's a nice solid plasticky feel, not as good as some other aluminium headphones, but it's nice solid feel. It's not as good as Audio Technica ATH M50 in sound quality as I've heard, but it sounds pretty well. And the Audio Technica quality is pretty good here. This is very sturdy, and this just goes up and down. It's a metal also, so it's good quality built. Also, let's talk about this long wire. This is like the very long wire, and it's not just good for wearing headphones on the street on the go, but it's good for editing and stuff like that in studio. It's a nice and large headphone, and it can stretch up to way long. As you can see, some large headed people can also wear it very easily, and it also provides a smooth cushion and pad, which is nice for long hours. Also, you can fold it up like this and it fits in your carry pouch pretty well after that. So you can see it just fits in your pouch, and you can take it out for any trip or somewhere else. So it's a nice carry pouch also, very soft and good padded. So I'm looking forward to test the audio out of this headphones and how the bass and the treble and different music sound to me. So I'll test this in my full review, and so be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so you get easily notified when I'll upload the review of it. That's the unboxing of Audio Technica ATH M35 headphones, and if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up down below and subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. So yeah, links are down below and go check us out. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.